Judges 17 begins a new and troubling phase in the book of Judges, a shift from great deliverers like Samson to a deeper look at Israel's spiritual confusion and moral drift. In the hill country of Ephraim, there lived a man named Micah. One day he confessed to his mother that 1,100 pieces of silver had been taken from her, the very money she had placed under a curse. Terrified of the curse, Micah admitted, "It was I who took it." Instead of being angry, his mother blessed him and declared that the silver was now dedicated to the Lord on his behalf. She took 200 pieces of silver and gave them to a silversmith, who fashioned them into a carved image and a metal idol. Micah placed these objects in a shrine inside his own house. In doing so, he created a personal place of worship that looked religious but was deeply contrary to God's law. Micah then made an ephod and household gods and appointed one of his sons as his personal priest. The narrator pauses to remind us why this chaos was happening. In those days, Israel had no king. Everyone did what was right in their own eyes. At that time, a young Levite from Bethlehem in Judah was traveling in search of a place to settle. He passed through the hill country of Ephraim and came to Micah's house. Micah welcomed him warmly and asked where he was from. When the Levite explained that he was looking for somewhere to live, Micah saw an opportunity. He offered the young man a position in his household. "Stay with me and be my father and priest. I will give you 10 pieces of silver a year, clothes and food." The Levite agreed, moving into Micah's home. Micah was delighted, believing that having an official Levite as his priest would bring him God's favor. He said to himself, "Now I know that the Lord will be good to me since I have a Levite as my priest." Yet everything about this arrangement, the idols, the shrine, and the self-appointed priesthood, was built on disobedience, not true devotion. Judges 17 ends not with victory or deliverance, but with a warning. Israel's problem was no longer just external enemies. It was internal spiritual confusion. Next comes Judges 18, where Micah's idols and his Levite priest are taken by the tribe of Dan, exposing how far Israel has drifted from God.